Hi, in this video I'd like to show you about the EDID simulator or the EDID learner. So right now you can see here's the unit. So basically we got the HDMI male side and the HDMI female side, and also the indicator here which will show the green light or the blue light. So here we got the setup, and we have an HDMI generator here, and we have the EDID simulator here. Basically you can have the default EDID, or we can use the external EDID. So right now I'm going to show you how to use the internal EDID. And right now if we have the blue light, which means we're using the external EDID. If we're going to reset to the default EDID, and we will just plug out and make sure we have the monitor and HDMI cable to the firmware side. Then we just plug to the source. Once we plug the source, and we'll see this light is flashing, and we'll just plug out, and we'll just wait around like 10 seconds until light is back to the green light. So now it's actually using the internal EDID, and we just connect again. So now it's actually we're using the internal EDID. If we want to use the external EDID, and we need to disconnect the EDID simulator with the input source. Also the same HDMI cable to this monitor. So we just connect to the source again until we just disconnect it, and we can see the blue light is flashing, and we connect. So now we can see it's actually we got the blue light, which means we use the external EDID, which we use the monitor's EDID. So this is the short video about how to use this EDID simulator. Thank you.